What's up, everybody? It's Michael here at Byerly with another product of the week.
For the rest of your life. Byerly Trade.
Whether it's from being dried out from continued exposure to the sun or damage from the elements, eventually a time will come when you have to replace your RV's vent lids. With the many brands of replacement vent lids available at Byerly RV, you can be assured you'll find the vent lid you need. Made to fit the standard 14 by 14 inch vent used on pretty much all RVs, the only real difference you'll need to know is which hinge does it have. There's Jensen style beginning at 1994, Jensen prior to 1994, vent line beginning at 2008, vent line prior to 2008, and Elixir beginning at 1994, and finally Elixir prior to 1994. When purchasing your new vent lid, the best option is going to be to bring in the old broken one when you come into the store and compare the hinges. The replacement vent lids are made from a UV stabilized, impact resistant polycarbonate and come pre-installed with rust resistant mounting hardware. Starting September 17th and running through the 23rd, all replacement vent lids will be 20% off in store and online. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel for next week's Product of the Week video when we take a look at Faulkner folding lounge chairs. To stay up to date on all our latest videos, including these Products of the Week, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news.